Sit. 5. Good boy. Catch. Good boy. Sit. Down. Wait. Go on then. Now, that's training and discipline. That's exactly what you need if you want to achieve success in the financial markets. Bit of price action training helps as well. Come on, Oliver, let's go and sell some dollar yen. Hope you like that short introduction video there. You wouldn't believe how many takes it took me to get him to do those tricks. Now, this week's video is going to be quite short in duration, but please don't be under the illusion that length is always that important, despite what you may have heard. This is probably going to be the most important and useful lesson that I've given here on my YouTube series. And I'm confident that if you take on board what I say and actually follow the exercise that I'm going to be giving you today, it could quite possibly change the way that you've been trading in the past and turn you into that consistently profitable trader that you aspire to be. And of course, that's why we're all here, of course. Now, I know that is a big promise, but ultimately it does come down to you and how much you want to be successful. So just give me a few minutes of your time now, and hopefully that proverbial light bulb will be switched on and will stay on. Before I get into the details, let me remind you to subscribe to the channel if you don't already do so, and make sure you hit that little bell icon so that you're notified the moment my next video has been released. You can follow us on Instagram and indeed Facebook, which leads me on to the next segue. If you follow me on Facebook, you can now join me live every Monday afternoon, 2 p.m. London time, that's 9 a.m. New York time. I stream live to you, putting my teachings into practice, looking for trading opportunities and discussing the markets in general, free to attend for all those that wish to follow. Okay, let's get straight into it. Now, I know a lot of you would have seen one of my earlier videos about the cycle of doom. Basically, it was outlining why most will never make money trading the Forex markets. Now, if you've not seen the video, you can check out the link above. Make sure you do so after watching this video. But to summarize the video, it was about basically the reason why people fail, and that was because of the emotional and discipline side of the business. Many come into this business expecting to make the money from the get-go, with little work or little knowledge of how they are going to do this. They hop between strategy after strategy, dropping them the moment the strategy starts to lose money, start to have losing trades, drop the strategy. Now, of course, the educated trader understands that losses are inevitable. It happens to be just part of the business. Remember the coin toss theory. Toss a coin 100 times or 1,000 times. You should see the laws of probability state a 50-50 distribution, heads over tails. But the randomness of the distribution over the shorter time frame is basically unknown. Now, the rookie trader, the beginner trader, won't be able to see through that. They drop the strategy after just a few losses, and then they basically butterfly on to the next one. So today's challenge is going to help you stop that devastating practice once and for all. Now, this challenge is to test your discipline. Have you got what it takes to become a trader? If you fail the challenge, it's not a problem. You can learn from it. It'll help you see for yourself your own weaknesses. And once you know what your weaknesses are, once you know your problems, you can start putting them right. You can dust yourself down and try again until you complete the challenge, and then know that you're going to be trading successfully going forward. Now, I call this challenge the 25 trade challenge. I offer it to all my members in the room. We discuss it all the time. I look at their results. It is really, really powerful and very insightful to your personality. Here's how it works. Now, first off, I want you to write down a set of rules, set of trading rules of a strategy. Now, let me say at this juncture, the intention of the 25 trade challenge is not to make money. Not interested in that. So you might want to be doing this on a demo account to start with. So we're not trying to make money. So I want you to write down a set of rules of a strategy. can be very, very simple. A simple moving average crossover with the direction of the trend, with a bit of price action. You can use one of my strategies that I've taught. You can make up one of your own. Just a very simple strategy. Some simple rules of the times of the day that you're going to be trading. I'm only going to trade between 9 and 4 o'clock. You set out the maximum percentage risk that you're going to have on each and every trade. The rules of entry. Very simple. And the point is, don't make this too complicated, because that is not the challenge. The challenge is, are you able to follow the rules? Once you've defined your set of rules, maybe 5 or 6 set of rules, have a checklist. And each time the rules apply, you take the trade on the demo account and you log each trade. You log each trade on a trade journal. You can do that on a piece of pen and paper. You can do that on an Excel or spreadsheet. You can do whatever you wish, but you've got to make sure you log each trade. And every trade has to be logged in accordance with the strategy. Was it a good entry? Was it a bad entry? And so forth. Do that 25 times. Logging entries and logging exits, including the profit and loss. You will be amazed at people that cannot do this. They will pack up and say, no, this strategy isn't working after 8 trades or 7 trades or 6 trades. They'll say, no, it's not working. I've had some losing trades. They will not continue with this challenge because they'll just move on to the next one. See if you can do that for 25 trades. Come what may, you will just do those trades religiously, following the strategy that you put out on paper. Now, if you're taking a risk-reward ratio of about 1 to 1, you might even make money, depending if the strategy's got any weight at all, any edge at all. But what I want you to see here by doing this strategy is the consecutiveness of the wins and the losses. You might have a series of wins and then a series of losses and vice versa. But the challenge is, are you able to follow your own rules for 25 times? If you can do 25, then go and do 50. And when you can do 50 trades following your set of rules, that's when you can analyze that strategy, decide whether it's working, decide whether it's something you want to take forward. But more importantly, you've proved to yourself you can follow rules. Simple rules that you've set out. You'll be amazed. Most people can't follow other people's rules. They can't even follow their own rules. So I encourage you to go away and do that. And I really, really want to hear the results of how that 25 trade challenge went for you. Okay, I'm going to be perfectly blunt here, and I know this might upset a few people, but I'll say this. If you think what I've just said is just not worth the effort, can't be bothered to do it, 25 trades, I've got better things to do, I'm just going to move on to find another strategy, chances are you haven't got what it takes to be a trader. The purpose of this challenge is to test your emotional discipline in following rules. If you don't even want to start from the first place, chances are you are going to end up just donating your cash to the people that can be bothered to put the effort in. Entirely up to you. As always, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as I have said. Don't forget to hit that bell notification, and I look forward to seeing you on Monday at 2 p.m. London time, 9 a.m. New York time, for a live stream discussing markets and looking for trading opportunities. Till the next video, happy trading and good luck.